Dneska si zareagujeme na Toon Turf, nová indie animovaná show, ktorá teraz vyšla. Reagoval som na to na streame, kde som hitol 300 odberateľov, takže vám veľmi ďakujem. No a bez ďalšieho zdržania, poďme na to. No, mám to tu na ten Toon and Surf. Nemám tušenia, že o čom to je. S bratrancem máme v plánu natočiť celkem šílenou parodii na Pata a Mata. Damn. Ja chcem dať preč ten textík. Tak, dobre. Tu mám, ako by bylo by super vidieť i reakcie ostatných. No tak ja sa na to môžem kľudne pozrieť. Ja som o tom počul. Ja som počul o tom, že teraz vyšiel nejaký Toon and Surf, ale neviem o čo to je. Ja som o tom nepočul nič, o tom Toonu a Surfu. Teraz to vidím prvýkrát a dokonca som dneska o tom aj počul prvýkrát, o tom Toon and Surf. Takže ja idem do toho úplne blind, takže akože jo. Ja dneska vôbec neviem rozprávať. No a dobre, bez zdržovania, poďme sa pozrieť na Toon a Surf, o čom to sakra je. Ja ináč akože neviem reagovať, takže moja prvá reakcia je celkom wild. Poďme sa to pozrieť. Dano Cal Presents. Aha, Rigi Presents. Oj. Toho poznám. To Rigio.
Today we're gonna learn about what it means to be a hero.
Damn.
A hero.
Je dobre počuť. Je počuť toto. Je počuť dobré video. Myslím, že hej.
Is someone who tries their absolute hardest to help others, no matter what. And they always try to do the right thing.
What the fuck? OK. To začíname celkom wild.
Come in all shapes and sizes, and the more good you do, the more good things happen to you.
Wow. Dobre slyšet? Dobre. Čo sa kamo deje?
If you do bad things happen. So what do you think, class? What kind of person will you grow up to be?
I want to be a hero.
Jasne. Ja chcem byť muzika. Oh shit, no.
Phew, it's just a nightmare. Thank
Prečo máš
goodness.
boner?
For a second there, I thought everything was on fire and...
Ty vole, firework.
Hey, you almost set one of us on fire.
Oheň.
You kids almost blew up my bedroom.
Ja neviem
I'd say
reagovať.
we're even.
Oh shit.
Nah, I'd say we're up a point.
Oh yeah?
BDV celú animácii delal jeden človek. Fúha, to si neviem predstaviť. Pamätám si, keď som ja robil tú moju animáciu a to bolo celkom pain a toto vyzerá o mnoho ešte viacej ako... Toto vyzerá ako viacej prepracovaná animácia. To neviem predstaviť. To je teda divný. No zatiaľ to je divné. Ja som na to čaké zvyknutý.
Watch me.
Čo sa deje? What the fuck?
What you gonna do now, monkey tail?
Monkey? Však je modrý. Celkom mi to pripomína Paper Mario, tú hru, s tým, jak sú všetky postavy štilizované a vlastne všetko. Ani ja to nepobieram, čo sa tu kurna deje. Oh. Ty vole, on sa tam teraz budú fajtiť. Oh, happy day. Oh, happy day. Trebalo mi pauzu trošku. Toto už ma ale nezajíma. Tak každý seriál je niečím divným, mne třeba zajíma tá animácie a časem to bude dávať zmysl. OK.
One day we'll actually finish a game of Capture the Flag.
Aha, Capture the Flag.
Chance now that you're moving to
Jaj.
Toonville.
Oh, yeah. Well, I'll be back one day, and you'll have time to grow up before then too. Except for you, Steve. You'll never grow up.
Steve je úplne v inom svete.
Gotta go. I'll see you
Sa
later,
de-
guys.
Čo sa deje?
I'm here, I'm off, hold on, I'm just getting dressed.
Takú mikinu má toto, môj avatar. Takú mikinu má. Damn. A vlastne aj také vlastne teplaky. Také čierne teplaky, kamo, to je skoro môj avatar. Damn. Oh shit. Steve je zatiaľ moja obľúbená postava.
Shh, you saw nothing.
I kick you, that's like you.
Oh, I can't wait for that stupid boy to get out of this house. Such a klutz.
Oh, Molly. At least you're gonna miss me, right?
Fuj.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
You're still my favorite girl.
Ricky, kitchen, now!
What the hell?
So help me, you were supposed to be
Vypadá
down
tak,
here
že ten
at
modrý je,
Club Circuit.
je asi tvoj
Understand
fanoušek.
everything
No,
you do. I'm taking hours out of my day to help you move, and you don't even have enough respect to show up to this wonderful meal I've cooked for you on time.
Sorry, Mom. I
Kitsy.
was just busy saying bye to the neighbors. I'm gonna miss them is all.
Well, then don't leave Blueberg. I mean, I still want you out of my house, don't
Jaj,
get me wrong.
on
But
sa ide
moving to
odsťahovať.
Twisted Toonville?
Tak vyzerá.
Absolutely nothing good comes out of that town.
Weren't you guys born there?
Hey, don't talk back to me. We left because we were smart. I haven't been back there since all that Red Rabbit junk went down. You know, what do you expect to get out of all this anyway?
I don't know. I think it would be kind of cool to help people.
Help people? Of course, you want to swing in and play hero or something. Newsflash, world has plenty of heroes already. What you need you for, pal?
Well, people sure are gonna need a lot of help where you're going. So much dirty crime and gangs, especially being next to that rancid Renanopolis, too.
Well, what's wrong with Renanopolis?
Are you kidding me?
Čo je
Everything.
Renanopolis?
You know what that place did to your uncle. Only good thing in that whole
typek je jak u stolu, ale přesne. Typek je jak ja u stolu, ale přesne. Aha.
city is good old lucky.
Nepochopil.
When he's not making movies or working on his businesses, he's spending every day trying to clean that whole mess of a place up. In fact,
Great
if I ever
Luxley.
got to meet him, hell, I could die a happy monkey.
Pff, I never understood the big deal with him anyway.
What'd you say, you little brat? We do not disrespect Lucky in this
Come on,
house. He's
chill.
done more good for the world than you ever will.
Yeah, don't be stupid, Riggy. Lucky's the greatest person that's ever existed in history. Such talent, such glamour, the perfect smile, the perfect color.
Color?
Sim.
You heard her. Yellow's just the best, bro.
Oh, so I have to be on time, but Jordan gets to be late?
Joe mama. Taký u stolu poslouchám zbytečne keci od rodičů. No, ja... ne. Ja nesom väčšinou u stolu.
Good morning, Big J. How does it feel going off to med school today?
Saving lives doesn't really have as much of an impact when you've been saving hundreds of weeks since the 5th grade, you know?
Oh,
Takže
I still
takže
can't
on je
believe they let
doktor.
an 11-year-old operate on a brain.
Do not disrespect your
Je-
older brother.
11-ročný robí operáciu na mozgu, what the hell? A typek nevyzeral bez na 11 rokov.
Making this family proud.
Yeah, unlike you.
Whatever.
Oh, morning, Jordan. Anyway, Riggy, point is, there's no such reason for you to be going all the way to Toonville. And I think you're a mistake. I mean, making a mistake.
Well, you've made that clear.
You're a mistake.
Okay, come on, Rig. Finish your food. It's time to go.
Táto zjedol.
Hey, give me a call.
Není to Toon Surf? Zrovna som to chtěl na ne podívat. Áno, toto je Toon Surf. Ja sa na to pozerám prvýkrát v živote, nemám tušenia o čom to je. A zatiaľ je to weird celkom. Aspoň sa budú môcť dívať na tebe i na to. No, môže byť asi, I guess. Ja zatiaľ neviem, čo ide, ale iné, čo zatiaľ viem, takže tento tu na modrý, opica, už som sa povedať zajac, tak sa ide odsťahovať do nejakého Toonville a jeho otco ho chce ísť zrezať za to.
You die, Riggs. We always need more organ donors at the hospital.
All right, that's the last of them. Oh, wait, I have to grab my lucky lighter. Do you need anything else from inside the...
Oh damn. Prečo to horí? Čo sa deje?
E-tabletka.
Tabletka, ja potrebujem tabletku, pretože toto je wild.
A viac ako...
Bro má halucinácie.
I need therapy.
To áno. Keď také máš vidiny... On nepotrebuje terapiu, on potrebuje tabletka.sk. Ok, takže Ricky vidí do budúcnosti. Aha, takže to je spoiler. No takže... Takéto prosím ne. Na to není spoiler, neviem. Ale pokiaľ má takéto vidiny Ricky, tak on nepotrebuje terapiu, on potrebuje tabletku.sk, more. September 2019.
I can't believe you still don't know how to drive. And I was such a good teacher.
Práve zrazila decko? Není to spoiler, mne to teď prípada. Aha.
You still don't know how to drive. And I was such a good
Prvé decko tu umrelo. Wow, super. Toto už začína byť FNAFko. Chill. On má halucinácie, ale kam to ved zatím nevím, páč videl som jen tá epizóda 1. Aha. To má viacej epizód?
Anyway, I'm excited for you to start your great big adventure. I'm sure absolutely nothing will go wrong.
Čo by mohlo byť zlé? Toon Turf. Jasne. Epizóda 1. Prvá. The first one. Featuring the voice talents of Nancy Narso, Bamboje Joe Kane, neviem tušne, kto to sú za ľudia, Ale řekl si přesně, co řekl tvůrce v komunitě. Tak ja sa zatiaľ nepoznám. Práve tam teraz zomrelo ďalšie decko, kamo príde. Prečo si zjedol, on zjedol zbraň? What? What the fuck? What the fuck? OK. Tak už nám zobrali 2 deti. Jasne. OK. Lucky. Kto si? Luckys. OK, takže nejaký Lucky je úplne nejaká celebrita. Jasne. Also featuring... To není decko, to je tučňak. Niečo ako Mývalové. Aha, tučňak. Takže Club Penguin. Yes. No veľa ľudí, ktorí nepoznám. Super. Ďalší tučňak. Práve sa posral. Dobre.
Alright, here's your stop.
But
Bit
my
of
house
stock.
is still another mile away, Ma.
I'm never setting foot in that town again. You're a big boy, sweetie. You can
Aha, takže ho necháš ty vole z kilometr peši, len aby si nemusela ísť do toho mesta. Tak to si skvelá matka. Bye bye. Nechtěl bych mít doma Rickyho mámu, no to by som nechcel.
It'll all be
Damn.
worth it.
A ešte s krabicami musí ísť. Tak toto je crazy.
Finally, home sweet, huh?
Home sweet home?
What?
What the hell? Akože dom na strome je celkom flex.
Did you just bite my leg?
Prečo si ho kusol? Kámo, tie tučňaky nemajú žiadny chill.
Directions to Crank's Casas.
Getting directions to Prank's Pastas.
Crank's
Crank's
Pasta.
Casas.
Pasta Pastas.
I don't want pasta.
Ordering pasta.
Oh.
Aha. To musí byť rodiče
I'll
roku.
find it on my own.
Táto, hej. No a ideme. Kámo, Skate 3. Fúha. LS. OK. Bezdomovec.
Ew, Mommy, is that a monkey with a rabbit's tail?
Shh, we don't look
Rasistické.
at freaks, Timmy.
Whoa.
Hey, watch
Oh,
where you're going,
Oh
punk.
shit.
Sorry, it's not my fault your tail's a street hazard.
Why, you little...
OK, takže animované Košice. No, asi takto nejak vyzerá.
Ew, what is that?
My tail?
What kind of a monster?
Nedrž ho, kamo, prečo ho drží len tak za chvost? Všetci teraz za ňou sú zlí, pretože je to opica, alebo... Takže počkať, je to opica, alebo je to zajac, ty vole, keďže všetkým príde, že to je divné. Pretože pre mňa vyzerá skôr ako opica s dlhými ušami, alebo zajac s chvostom opice. To strašne matúce.
Are you?
Hey, put me down or I'll... Ow!
Oh, you what?
No on je kříženec medzi zajíci a táta opice. Jaj! Takže o taký sex išlo. Dobre. Dobre. Takže on je v podstate dačak skazené kačatko.
What? And you thought
Ranky.
there was something wrong with my tail?
Leave him alone, Dolph.
Dolph. Nedávajte písmeno A pred Dolph. V tom prípade jeho taký budú brát za ploutev toho delfína nebo žaloka. Rabiť poznámky. Dolph má dosť zaujímavé meno. Nedávajte ešte, že jeho prvé písmeno mena nie je Ačko. Damn.
Oh, I hate that song, babe.
Kamo, ja už teraz musím čeknúť, že koľko existuje Rule 34 o tejto postavy, kamo. Nemám tušenia, ty vole, či už niekto bez stihol kresliť, ale podľa mňa už existuje, počkať. Tun, Turf, Rule 34, kamo, už musí podľa mňa existovať. OK, ešte nie. Existuje už, toto je koniec. Už existuje Rule 34 tohoto. Jasne, Adol. Áno, to som mal na mysli.
Please.
Here, let me help you up.
Smash.
What?
Smash?
Sorry for smashing into you.
Čo? Kámo, tak za to nerobí. Uklidni sa.
Oh, it's okay. So, your name?
Riggy?
Well,
Rig
hi,
me.
Riggy. I'm Ruby, and this is my boyfriend, Dolph. Nice to meet you.
Ten nedostane. Ten nedostane od nej. Ado alebo A. Áno.
Do you have a concussion or something?
Sorry, yeah, I'm sure it's just a concussion. So, what are you guys up to?
Oh, you want to know what we're up to? It's this really cool thing called None Ya Business.
Don't be nice. We're putting up posters for Red Rabbit Day.
Oh, right. You guys have that weird holiday today. Isn't it strange that Toonville throws a party over some freak terrorist every year?
Čo? OK. Za prvé nám tu umierajú deti. Náš hlavný protagonista za prvé má vidiny. Je to úplný perverzák. A teraz ešte si dovolí povedať pred nimi, že nejaký terorista, tu slavia nejakého teroristu.
What? I'm sorry.
No ty si úplný dement, kámo. Už teraz si dostal, ty vole. Ty nedostaneš dneska večer, ty nedostaneš.
Are you laughing or crying?
Real nice. Hey,
Si
come on,
pána.
Chris. Let's leave this rat to himself.
No,
Wait,
toto je...
what'd I say?
Let's go. I'm starving.
Takto mi škúrka v ruchu každé ráno.
Hey, can I just get a strawberry one?
Freddy! Fialový Freddy, kámo, toto je Freddy. Mne je jedno, ak sa tento typek volá, toto je Freddy proste. Toto je môj Freddy. Chudák. No, chudák typkyňa. Rigi, kámo, Rigi je úplný hajzel. Za prvé je perverzný, za druhé má vidiny. On je úplne šialený. Úplne mentál, ty vole.
Yup, just a buck.
No, Freddy.
Have a great day, buddy.
To bol Lancerov zvuk?
Mommy, can we get ice cream? No, you don't need
Typek je, jak když rizují holky. No tak to ti asi
the
moc
sugar,
nejde, tak
Timmy.
vyzerá.
Come on.
Tá peňažtok ti to nepomôže. Čerešnička, jedna.
Here, take it. I'm not that hungry anyway.
No konečne robí niečo dobré.
I want a chocolate. Hey, get away from my child, creep.
Akože úprimne si to zaslúžil za mňa. Podľa mňa si to zaslúžil.
Aw, well, at least someone's enjoying it. Seriously?
Tieto tučníky majú fakt nejaký problém s tým, že furt OK, a už sú problémy. Práve Freddy mu zničil stroj za 500 € možno aj. No, ďakujem za reklamu. Toto mi fakt bolo treba. Ja to nepozerám na mojom hlavnom účte, ty vole. Ja by som si to mohol prepnúť na môj hlavný, na účet môjho hlavného kanálu, kde mám premium, ale toto proste ne. Čo tu deje?
Oh, what now?
Tu je asi Lucky, či jak sa volá.
Thanks a bunch. See
To je
you,
on.
Lucky.
Nope, thank you, Crank. My guys will be in touch.
Hold on to your hats, folks. It looks like he's coming
Breaking
out now.
news.
Can you got a good view?
All right, everybody, park the
Jo! Celebrita, úplná.
Good job. What a crowd. Now, one at a time, folks. One at a
Holy
time.
moly.
Bring the car around, folks. This will take a sec. Oh, Chunks, you're too kind. Thanks a bunch, pal. Nice to meet you, buddy. Excuse me. Can I get through here? Hello? Hey.
Kebyže mám tipnúť, čo to asi pôjde, tak typek proste podľa mňa Rigi bude úplne akože jealous, že tento typek má tu chce veškerú tú pozornosť a všetko a pôjde mentál, všetky tam vyzabíja úplne, ty vole. A asi tak nejak.
What's a lucky plushie? You in the back? All right, get ready, hands.
Typický influencer.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, you want me to sign your baby's head? Oh, sure.
Decko, podpíšem mu.
Oh,
Musím
what a
súhlasiť,
cute
no.
kid. You're gonna grow up to be a great consumer, aren't ya? Now, I wish I could stay
Great
and meet
customer.
every one of yous, but I got... Hey, whoa,
What the fuck?
Jeez. Hey, buddy, you okay? I'm so sorry. That was completely on me. Are you... You're all right, aren't you? I'm fine. Don't worry about it. Sorry about that, random citizen. Here, take a lucky plushie on me, yeah?
Nice.
All right.
Zárom plišák.
Stay safe out there in the future, old sport, okay? Ta-ta, everybody! Ugh, celebrities. Is this Crank's Casas?
Nope, Crank's Construction. Recently had a name change. Now full-time contractors for all your building needs. Houses, shops, and we're even working on Lucky's new secret project.
Great,
Ooh.
I don't care. Listen, I'm Riggy. We spoke on the phone?
Ah, yes, you're the one who wouldn't tell me what animal you were. Well, I can see you're a very hoppy-looking rabbit and... Whoa! Sir, is that a monkey tail?
Aha.
It's my third arm. Listen, I bought a house from you and now...
OK, všimol si, jak byl překvapený, když viděl Riggyho obličej. Nebudú spoilovať a oni to ešte v seriálu nebylo, ale tvůrce něco naznačil. Akože videl som, že tam nejaké emócie, že na ňo tak trošku divne pozerá. Ale podľa mňa on ho pozná. Podľa mňa bol prekapený, že má toto. Že má podľa mňa divný chvost, pretože zatiaľ všetci nadávajú na to, že má divný chvost, že to není zajac, že to je opico zajac. No 100% sú Lucky a Riggy bývalí kamarádi. To neviem, to by podľa mňa Riggy niečo povedal, ale podľa mňa bol prekapený, že jak vyzerá.
It looks like this. Care to explain?
Well, it appears as though a tree has sprouted through it.
No, not literally. I just...
Mohu říct malinký spoiler? Ne. Ne.
I mean, what are you gonna...
Akože, on sa tu síce sa tu nervuje, že má toto dom na strome, ale za mňa to je win-win, kamo, reálne dom na strome to je flex. Kamo, koľko ľudí za deň povie, že proste býva v dome na strome? Že tam vyloženie býva.
do about it?
Well, there's a reason you were able to buy the place so cheap. Maybe if you had a little extra cash, we could find you something more acceptable.
Oh, I don't...
Come back when you're a little more richer. Ale kdyby byli kamoši ze školy, tak si ho nemusí pamatovať, protože mohli ísť na inou základku. Takže keď boli, ale to im muselo byť potom, tak to im muselo byť aj zo školky, ja neviem čítať. Tak to potom by dával zmysel. Potom by dal zmysel, ale akože dalo by to zmysel, že by sa nepoznali, ale nemyslím, že by si nemyslím, že by Lucky si pamätal na Reggiho. Takto. Ja jediné, čo si pamätám zo škôlky, ty vole, že som sa tam dookola hral s nejakými modrými stavebnicami a to je asi všetko.
I have any money, I want you to fix my house, or at least get it out of the tree.
I'm awfully sorry. Right now, we're all up to our necks in Lucky's new construction project. Have you heard about it? It's going to be a fantastical magic...
Typek je nasratý.
Lucky, I want a house.
You don't care about Lucky?
Ale ne.
You need...
To není možné. Na začiatku v tom flashbacku bylo video Luckyho, jak máš byť hrdina, takže to už mu bylo minimálne 20. Keď bolo detsko, tak mu bolo 20, alebo teraz mu je 20. Teraz mu nechápem. OK, tento typeček ináč buff, ty vole.
To live.
What? But
Tam buď spokojný, že máš dom na strome, to je swag. Aha, Lucky mu. OK. No, ďakujem za ďalšiu reklamu. Také menšie break pauzy tu budú medzi tým. Áno. Takže Lucky mu je 20. Potom Riggy mu je tiež 20? Alebo niečo uniká? No určite musím mať na 18, keďže už si kúpil vlastný barák. Typek je dobre šikanovaný, no. Tak akože, keď tam akože chce tam vyvázať kus, ale akože chápem. O, sprej? Nesprejuj mu to. Riggy mu 18, potvrdz no. Aha. OK, no teraz im tam posprejuje všetko, ale potom za ním dojde ten sekuriťak a ho tak domlatí, že to normálne skončil. No. Krásna animácia spreju.
No, you've got rabbit ears.
Aké si zviera? Ja som potkan. Takže bude to zajac, bude to opica, alebo to je krysa proste. On je stejne šikanovaný ako ja na základní škole. Kamo, same. A Lucky mu je 30-40, damn, tak ten je starý. Holy Ank.
And a monkey tail? Are you some sort of a rabkey? No.
Rabkey?
A money.
Money.
Runky. My sister's a mabbit.
Runky?
Runky?
Oh, hold on. Runky? Where does the U come from?
Oh, shut up. Just let me be.
No, you je on.
You're new around here then.
Yes? Why?
Because you obviously don't know what spray painting means in this town.
Mind your own business, okay?
Suit yourself.
Holy shit! Kamo došla mafia? O môj bože. Jenom, že ja jsem se tomu postavil a v 9 šide mne nechali bejt. Mňa ne. OK, what the fuck. Typek dostal breakdown. Holy shit. Laughter? Jasne, určite. Oh shit.
What do you want?
Aw.
What are you doing?
You just really look like you could use a hug.
Relatable.
Had a rough day?
No, it's nothing. I got scammed.
If you need someone to talk about it, I'm right here. I've been told I'm a decent listener.
I bought this house, and then a whole tree grew through it, and I was hoping that those dummies at the construction place could get it down for me, but they kicked me out.
Akože furt sa sťažuje, že toto má doma strome, ale kebyže v tomto vesmíre, tak ty vole to berem. To je swag.
Out. Well, I don't own a construction company. I do own a saw you can have. I haven't used it in a long while. It always seems sort of
Ten
dangerous
bobor.
to me.
Tak ten bobor, on pomôže spiliť ten strom.
Maybe it'll help you get your house down, and you'll have a little extra firewood too.
Yes.
Really? That's the first nice thing someone's offered since I got here.
Oh, well,
Damn.
I'm sorry to hear that. Folks ought to be more welcoming. Pleasure to meet you. I'm Bella Bieber.
Ricky Runky.
Runky? Well, I've never heard of a... Whoa!
Oh yeah, scared of the tail?
No, it's just I've never seen something so cool. You're unique. Normal is boring. I've never seen anyone so special.
Oh, thanks, Billy.
No problemo. Now, about that saw.
No konečne má nejakého kamaráta aspoň. Alright. Takže pomôžem mu zrezať ten strom.
Hiya, Ma. Oh, man, I brought a new friend.
Oh, hi there. My name's Bethel. What's yours?
Nice to meet you, ma'am. I'm Riggy.
You don't have to call me ma'am, sweetheart. Make yourself at home, okay?
Ricky
Jak
just
doma.
moved to that old place near the tunnel of the city. The one that got a tree sprouted through it. And I was wondering if he could have our saw so he could get it down.
Well, of course he can have the saw, sweetie. Feel free. And let me know if you need anything at all, you hear?
Kto by to
Oh,
mohol byť?
That's the school. I might have to go back into work.
Oh, well, that's okay.
Oh,
we
damn.
can find it on our own. I love you, Ma.
Upratovačka v
I love
škole.
you too, Firefly. And it was
Nechcel by
nice to
som.
meet you. Take care now.
You too.
Oh, she's the
Inak
best.
priprav sa, že to bude dosť temný. No to som už zistil, ako zatiaľ, to už na to čakám celú dobu, ty vole. Ja složil na začiatku, tak iba čakám na to, kedy dojde ty vole nejaký zvrat, kedy Riggy ty vole gone mental proste pôjde.
Ever since my dad passed when I was real young, she's had to take care of me by herself. She's a school teacher, but today she was supposed to have off. Oh, well, I'm sure it's important.
Why do you still live at home? You're the same age as me. Couldn't you have been helping her pay the bills or something?
Well, I do. I work at the pet shop. At least when the charity don't need me or when I'm not helping relocate those poor old penguins.
Z Rickyho sa stane Joker. OK, tak túto referenciu necháme, pretože ja som Jokera nevidel.
Ugh, you have one as a pet? Those things freak me out.
Oh, the wild
No aby
ones
sa
are
nedivil,
lucky
kam
ones,
však tie
but this
tučňaci
one's
hudba
sweet and
kúšu.
domesticated.
Oh, okay.
Perry, no! That's strange.
Perry.
Usually Copernicus likes everybody. There, go on, boy. But yeah, I never moved out because I knew she needed me to help her with the payments. It's all fine, though. I've always been a mama's boy anyway. In fact...
OK, tak toto bude celkom... Akože chápeš, stane sa z neho magor. No na to čakám. Akože jednu vec, čo moc nefílujem, je, že väčšina postav, čo zatiaľ sú dospelé, podľa toho, čo počujem, tak vyzerajú aj z neho ako deti. Takže keď náhodou poviem niečo na Unhinged, tak I am not aware of these ages.
That's why I was at Greg's today. I was looking for a real nice bedroom door replacement to get her for her birthday. It's tomorrow, actually.
Mine too.
She's really? Well, how'd it do? Maybe you can come over tomorrow and we can have a double birthday party for you.
Veď to má narodeniny.
It's okay. I wouldn't want to intrude. Yeah, saw?
Oh, right. I get distracted sometimes. I'm sorry. It's right in here.
Typický ADHD typek.
Yeesh, that's dark. One sec. Let me light a candle.
Oh, here. I always carry a lighter with me.
Oh, well, that's mighty kind of you. Thanks. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I've never done well with fire. Here, can you hold this for me? Let's see.
Koľko to má veci?
Well, here we go. One shot.
Tak to je frajer.
Early birthday gift. Makes
BTV Riggy je postava, ktorá bola vytvorená short youtuberovi Dano Drawing. Časem mu udelal identitu a vymyslel mu backstory. A 2,5 roku animoval tohle. Hej, to viem, že toto bol avatar pre nejakého typečka. Ale... Jo. Good. Ja neviem čo... Neviem.
Here, be careful careful with it, and don't be afraid to let me know if you ever need anything else. Anything at all. I've heard moving can be scary, and I don't want you to be alone, so if you need a friend, I'm right here. In fact, this evening I'll just be heading down the lake for my leisurely stroll, and you can come if you'd like.
Thanks, Billy. Maybe next time.
Oh, yeah, you're probably going to the festival to see the fireworks. I don't blame you. It's quite a show every year.
A show? What is all this about? I mean, I know Red Rabbit Day is a big holiday, but isn't the Red Rabbit like some sort of major criminal?
Well, yeah, that's why we celebrate. Exactly 20 years ago to the day, the Red Rabbit went on the biggest crime spree in the history of the Tooniverse. But at the end of the day, he got locked up. So we celebrate the fact that he was...
Podľa mňa, moja teória je, že tento... Počkaj, bol to červený zác. Snad bude po FNAF nočním kalendáži ďalší Clash Royale, třeba aj niekdy Clash Royale stream. Pravdepodobne nie, pretože podľa toho, čo som počul, aký update dojde teraz, tak sa mi to moc ani hrať nechce. A taktiež, síce tie videá majú dosť dobré zaujímavé, ale teraz po tom update, čo som videl, to bolo strašné, ten update, čo teraz ako príde, takže nemyslím, že úplne sa mi chce do toho. Akože možno by som to mohol oživiť, ale to by sa nemuselo fakt si, takže akože nesľubujem nič. Ale čo chcem pozrieť? To je červený zajac. Co když je červený zajíc Rickyho biologický otec? To ne, ale nemali sme to na to už červeného zajaca niekde. Tá typkyňa bola... Tu je typkyňa, červený zajac. Takže čo keď toto je jej otec? Čo keď toto je tej typkyne otec? I think I have a theory.
the Tooniverse. But at the end of the day, he got locked up. So we celebrate the fact that he was caught. Well, at least most people believe he was caught.
No, protože inak by nemohli byť na půl opice. Aha. Počkaj, takže je to Rickyho otec? Pretože to mi trošku nedáva zmysel. Takže počkaj, Ricky má teraz stepdaddyho a tam ten otec je teraz Rickyho biologický otec. Není, tak... Moja teória je furt, že to je otec tej červenej záčice proste.
See, the guilty guy's name is Randy Rabbit, and for the past 20 years,
Randy
he's
Rabbit.
claimed that he's innocent. Not many people believe him, though, but his daughter...
Okay then, well, thanks for the Lord dumping this
Jeho
off.
dcera, mama je králík a tata je opice. Áno, Riggio. Gratulácie k 300 odberateľom. Díky Román, ináč vítaj na streame, späťka. Jo. No, takže Riggieho mama je zajac a jeho otec je opica. OK, to dáva zmysel. Ale podľa mňa ten červený zajac, kto to bol, tak je podľa mňa otec tej červenej záčici. Pretože tam ho rozprávajú o nejakej dceri jeho.
Glad I could help.
Prestaňte ho kúsať, more. Wild.
I'm glad you think I taste good.
See you, Ricky.
Teraz som si uvedomil, že skoro tomu tučňakovi podrezal krk. By som sa nedivil. Kamoko, reklamy, tyhle tu ešte bude. Tu tých reklam ešte bude. Hej, prokože by na tvém kanále Toonsurf teórie. Tak to neviem, ale akože mohol by som. Ale ja na to nemám moc na to robiť toto teórie. What? Ty tučňaci úplne rozobrali všetko. Teórie ne, ale recenze bude. No, mohol by som skúsiť z tohoto dostriať niečo. Z tohoto streamu. Uvidím ešte. To je Toy Story lopta. To poznám. Všetko zožerú. Toto je konec. Toto je jeho konec. Kamo, preťani ich to pílou. Všetkých ich podrež.
Tough break, eh, kid?
A toto je kto zase?
You could say that.
Need something to relax ya?
What do you mean?
Want some cane?
Huh?
Kane?
The cane, you know?
What?
You know, the green pipe, the funny puff?
What are you talking about?
Drogy?
Sugar cane.
Oh, sugar cane.
Yeah, that's what makes it so good!
Damn. Ty vole. To je dobré emo vlk. Cukrová trtina, pozor. No.
Yeah, Listen, I don't
Okej,
touch stuff
no.
like that.
Tak
Because
to
a joke
začína byť
like
viac
this made my
wild, ty
Uncle
vole.
Bonzi go all weird, and I'm not interested.
Uncle Bon? What?
Smash. Damn.
Weird. Nah, Kane doesn't make you act that weird. You know, it's the cloud that will really get you.
Mhm.
Yeah, you don't know? The puffy cloud? It's everywhere.
To je cukrovata.
Sure, Kane is a crutch for guys like me, but the cloud? Oh, that stuff is nasty addicting. Ruins a lot.
Takže cukrová trtina je pro ne tráva. Jop. To je wild, tyvo. Typek sa fakt snažil predať trávu.
Kid, let me tell you something. This town, this place, it's got tons of weird things about it. Strange happenings that don't quite make sense.
Hlavne tušňaky.
Sometimes it's small stuff.
Avata perník očividne. No. Oni čas štvrtú stenu práve teraz, ty vole. Hovorí o tom, jak to je rozpixelizované tie veci.
Sometimes you won't see people for weeks on end, only for them to turn up like they've been forgotten and then suddenly remembered.
Or maybe you just have cataracts and a bad memory.
Sometimes whole buildings disappear and then appear again out of thin.
Ja mám pocit, že tieto tu na veci, čo on teda popisuje, tak nerobí to, že by bolo niečo divné s tým mestom. Podľa mňa to robí to, čo on kúri. Hej, ja chci byť v tom svete třína, jak trština, ako tráva to chci. No, ale potom máš takéto vidiny, ty vole. Občas ti minú, ty vole, domy, ľudia.
It's like the whole world is constantly destroying itself, but then patching itself back up again.
Ja mám pocit, že to bude myslím, že to bude to trtinou.
Listen, it was great meeting you, but
You what? You think I'm crazy? Or then tell me, Smart.
Nesi crazy, si iba
Does that hoodie
sfetovaný.
always have a zipper on it?
Yes. Listen, I just.
But the worst thing about this town, whether it's well being all wacky, those vermin penguins trying to infest everything, the turf wars between those rival gangs, or the trickle-down criminals from Rhinopolis. The biggest battle for the heart of this town has been the citizens versus the Puffy Cloud. And it really...
Okay, now listen to me, you buggy-eyed creep. I don't want to get involved in your crazy conspiracy theory garbage. I've had the worst day ever. Nearly everyone in this town hates me just from a single glance at my stupid tail, and I'm tired of hearing speeches about...
But Cloud's all in the streets, mate. It's poisoning our people.
Kamo, o akých mrakoch rozprávaš?
Substance abuse?
Jediné mraky, ktoré tu sú tie, ktoré vydýchuješ. Aha. Lucky robí nejaký shady business, kamo, to už teraz neviem povedať. Lucky niečo s mafiou, to určite bude, kamo, to určite bude wild.
Every night I see some suspicious folks all pull up in there, and they come out with the mountains of it. Mountains, I tell ya. You know, if I was you so upset about people hating me, I'd bust myself in there and get rid of the cloud once and for all. If there's one thing that'll make you a hero, mate, it's that.
Interesting. Lucky's factory. So, do you think Lucky has something to do with it?
Lucky? Nah, man, Lucky's the best. He would
Jasne,
never.
jasne.
But if it was my say,
Lucky je hovno, podľa mňa.
them shifty little dolphins.
Niečo mi na nich sedí.
Dolphins?
Ne. Kamo, nemá šancu. Nemá šancu z ňou, kamo. OK, reklama. Kamo, on fakt chce zavrieť ty vole frajera tej červenej zajačici a na bioziska, kamo, typek nemá šancu. Virgin Ricky. Lucky je dealer. Fú. Tak už dáva to zmysel.
Strange. Thought for sure I heard. Bah, never mind. Hey, I appreciate you being honest with me, and I know you're friends with her, but try to keep the peace, okay?
Yeah, sure. Sorry, sure.
Ah, come on, Billy. You don't have to call me sir. And hey, we're still on for dinner tomorrow night, right?
Yep. But keep it a secret. I haven't told her about the party yet.
Excellent. Well, you have yourself a nice
Lucky
night.
má shady business. No, to vidno.
Hey, Billy.
Whoa. Well, hey, Riggy. Where'd you come from?
What was that?
Davey? Well, he was just going around asking about the graffiti.
Už som si myslel, že to je jeho otec.
What did you tell him?
Well, that I did it to help speak out against Red Rabbit Day.
Phew, thank goodness. I'm like deathly afraid of cops and... Wait, why did you lie?
Oh, believe me, it definitely didn't make me feel too good. I really don't like lying, but you seem like you really needed a break, so I bent the truth a little.
Well, thanks. Hey, speaking of bending the rules, though, I need your help.
Huh?
See that smoke?
From the plushie factory? Well, yeah, but
Okay,
Tam
listen.
sa dejú
I
nejaké
found
nekalé
out
veci.
that a major problem in this town, the Puffy Cloud...
Počkať. Čo keď tí tučňaci sú živé plišaky, niečo jak v Poppy Playtime, ty vole. Random teória, ty vole, tu na. Insert random teória sem, kamo. To je moja nová teória.
Do that factory every night. And my plan is to break in, get evidence, show it to the police, and become a hero.
Breaking and entering? Reggie, I was already on edge about lying to the coppers, but
It's
this is...
perfect. You're even friends with that cop. What'd you say his name was?
Ricky je šialný, kamo.
And don't you want to do
On robí všetko, aby získal ty vole kus tej záčerite, ty vole, fakt hovorím. To je taký simp neuveriteľný, Ricky.
some good? Wouldn't you like to take Cloud off the street?
Nereálne, sú to mývalo vec, som aj radi Rickyho. Nic víc, nic míň, no. Fúha.
You know, help people?
Well, yes, but
Then come with me. The factory's gonna be closed. Everyone's going to the festival to celebrate Red Rabbit Day. You said it yourself.
Tonight?
Tonight. I can't do this alone, and right now you're the only one I trust. And just imagine, not only would we be heroes, we could be famous. We could solve tons of mysteries and save bunches of people. The
Teraz si byť
adventures
detektív, ja.
of Riggy and Billy.
Reggie, saving people shouldn't be about becoming a celebrity.
Áno.
Well, still, if we go to the factory and find out what they're doing, we could improve so many lives by getting rid of the Cloud forever.
Well, I don't want you going...
Tak ale nemáš kamo, tak hovorí o tom, že tie mraky sú ty vole zlé. A reálne on verí nejakému svetovnému vlkovi, to je akože Ricky, to je taký idiot proste, on verí nejakému svetovnému vlkovi, že nejaké mraky z nejakého dôvodu proste robia veci divné. Jediné, čo robia tie mraky zle sú maximálne, tak ty vole znečistujú toto oblohu, ale tak všetko ty vole proste brá, kámo. Riggy, zhulený vlk a Bober, to je teda trojka, no ty vole, to ešte bude trio, kámo. To bude nový fun gang normálne. Akože neviem jak vy, ale naposledy, keď za mnou došiel svetový typek, tak som mu rozumel maximálne, že mimo ní sú reálni a raz napadol čarodej. Reálne, proč ten vlk explodnul svojho dealera? No presne tak, more, však skade by mal trstinu asi. A čo keď to je toto? Čo keď to je pasca, ty vole, ďalšia random teória, proste, čo keď to je pasca? Čo keď Lucky si nejak prišiel Ricky povedomý, tak najal toho vlka, nech sa svetuje za prvé, ale nech naláka Rickyho do tej faktory, aby ho mohli zabiť. Moja teória.
If it'll help people, I'll do it.
That's the spirit.
Nice. Alright, máme tu festival. Tak bude nejak vyzerať festival v Deltarune, chapter 5. Damn. Takže je čas sa vkradnúť. Už to začína byť konečne zajímavé.
Is the coast clear?
Well, I think so, but again, Riggy, I really don't know if... What's with the gloves?
I don't leave fingerprints, obviously.
Smart.
You brought a grappling hook? Where'd you get that?
Kámo, skade má
He
grappling
gave
hook?
me a bunch of supplies. Told me it was all just in case.
Jeho informátor, takže myslíš povedať, že od vlka dostal ty vole grappling hook? Pretože jediný človek, ktorý mu mohol dať toto informácie a grappling hook je práve ten vlk, kámo. Keď ten vlk má cukrovú trstinu, tak práve aj grappling hook mal.
Matches? Dynamite? Why do you have so much?
Bro.
Surely you weren't planning on using this, were you?
Only if I absolutely need to. But that was all just in case things turn sour and...
Riggy, what if we hurt someone?
Relax. We're not hurting anybody. Maybe we'll use it as a threat, but no one's gonna die or anything. We're just gonna turn them into the authorities.
Mám taký pocit, že táto veta bola klamstvo. Podľa mňa umrie veľa ich podľa mňa umrie.
Come on, let's go.
Riggy, that's damage to private property. You can't seriously... Oh.
Oh damn. No ďalšia reklama.
Chcem tento účet.
OK, well, damn. On to fakt plánuje, ty vole, celé vybuchnúť. OK, chytám z toto strašný Poppy Playtime vibes, ty vole, neviem prečo. Debil. OK.
Let's see. Where's all the puff? Maybe in these boxes?
Je tam, není tam. Proč sa mi zdá, že to nedopadne dobře? No tiež mi čo hovorí, že mi to nesedí. Podľa mňa to je pasca. Buď to je pasca, alebo sa niečo dosť zle zvrtne. Buď ich ty vole zabijú, ty vole sekuritáci, alebo... Niečo sa zvrtne, niečo sa proste strašne zvrtne.
Just a bunch of cute and cuddly plushies.
Ja by som to neobýval.
You know, funnily enough, Lucky used to be my...
Here, maybe one of these trucks. I've seen tons of movies where they hide stuff down here, but... Hey, Billy, can you undo that nozzle down there? There has to be things stuffed inside it.
Kamo, ty ideš ukradnúť olej?
My gloves on.
This triangle one?
Yeah, that's it.
Čo tam robí?
You okay? Oh, it just had gasoline in it.
Vravil som, nemore.
I shouldn't have dragged you here. This just makes no sense. The fox said it would be here.
No.
Fox? You got your information from
Fox?
Fox?
Takže to není vlk, to je líška? Alebo teraz o kom rozprávaš, more? Vox? Za to môže Vox. Tieto vesmíry sa prepojujú. Zatím to vypadá zaujímavé. No, ty vole, ale... Akom Foxuje ty vole správa?
Yeah, what's the big deal?
Ricky, the boxes in this town, they have a... Oh, they're
Souhlas.
just always up to something shifty.
No.
We shouldn't have come.
Ja som to vravil, ty vole, ja neviem, prečo by veril zhulenému vlkovi, teda líške, ty vole, čo to už je. Oh no.
We need to hide. Over here.
Oh no, niečo sa zvrtne, ty vole, už to vidím. Tam, to nebolo nutné.
He said tonight's batch is the plushies that have
Vyzerá jak William Afton.
extra stitch in the...
Jak vidím, co tam píšete, tak strašne rád bych něco řekl, páč jsem to už viděl, ale nechci spodrovať. Keď to dopozrieme, môžeš povedať, čo chceš.
Side. Yeah, I got it, Dolph.
It's him. Oh, this is perfect. Oh, shh, don't worry, just be quiet.
On tam chce na niečo hodiť.
Check. Batch confirmed.
Okay.
Why do they sound the exact same?
What? What do you mean?
Well, you don't hear their voices? Don't gaslight me, Billy.
He said there's a lot scheduled for tonight. Our biggest haul yet. Could take
Že z neho
a
tak isto,
couple of
ne?
hours. Lift? No, don't put it there. Careful.
No to trochu kasím, potom tam žeru sandviče.
Careful.
What the
did I
hell?
say? What did I say? Hey, over here.
Nefot?
No, your other left. No, that way. Hey, right. Put your hands up. Whichever one makes an L, that's left. Go that way. We got fins, man. Oh, you're right.
Ten? Ja neviem.
This is why your mom doesn't love you, both.
Both?
What? Who's that?
Oh shit. Oh shit. Bež.
Hey, what the flip are you doing in here?
Niečo sa deje. Ja som dúžil, že to zvrtne. Oh môj bože. OK, no tak to idú riadne dole. Ježiš. Holy shit. OK. Toto je zlé. Ale... Všetko tam zhorí. Ne.
Wait. Don't listen. It's me. We can help this out.
Sorry, kid. You've seen too much.
Ale nie. Nechceš ho zabiť snad, nie? No toto je crazy. O, počkaj. Tu navidím. Tu sú nejaké secret kody. To bude Windings. Počkaj, to bude Windings, podľa mňa. Windings Translator. Windings. Viem písať Windings. To podľa mňa bude Windings. Datchia Vyžeši. Windings. Tu na toto, yes. Kamo, vyzerá to jak niečo. Sa na to pozriem, to vyzerá jak Windings. To podľa mňa, tu sú nejaké, to podľa nejaká správa je, ale skúsim to skopírovať. Takže, vyzerá to jak... OK, skúsam toto, tyhle. Takže taký divný znak. Dacia je typka, co je slavná tým, že rozebírala videá toho youtubera a teasery na ten seriál. Proste teoretička. Aha. OK, no ale ma zaujíma, či to je Winding Steel. Je to nejaký podobný znak k tomuto. To vyzerá, no vyzerá to divne. To vyzerá ako toto. Aj keď nevyzerá ani moc. Čo by to mohlo byť? No to asi, tak to asi nevyriešime, ale vyzerá to fakt jak Windings. Ne? A možno, že to bude nejaký nový, nejaký iný language, proste vytvorený čisto len pre toto. On to fakt ide vyhodiť do vzduchu. Chytaj! Oh shit. Hoď to kolegovi. Poď si opica, to zvládneš. Damn. A kde máš Bobra? Bober nič? Ale nie. Len nie olej. No a teraz všetko zhorí. Toto je Briti. Toto je koniec. Koľko máš kusa dynamit? Kamo, skaj skúňa zvlad dynamit. Toto škamo sa vlk. Teda líška. No vypadne ti to rytí. Poďte preč. No zachránil, ne? Počkaj, on horí, to vidí. To je úplne v pohode, nič si nespravili zle, proste sa usadí dopreč. A sa zastavujú na mieste, kamo. Jasne, to sa normálne deje proste, že zamradí sa na mieste, to je taká normálka, vieš čo. Jojo. Tak, kamo, aké lampy! Hračky pro tebe. Nice. Oh, shit. Počkaj, Bober! Bober! Ne! Bober, ne! Ne, Bober, ne!
I'll be back, I promise. Don't let me! Reggie, please! Reggie!
Hoď ho do vody! Dobre, to tiež môže byť. Bober! Ja říkám, že to bude víc temný. Bro, odfotil si oheň.
Oh hell, Billy.
Billy! Ne! Billy! What the fuck, vy ste kto more? To je... Ja som vedel, že tá líška mala niečo za album. Alebo ten vlk, ty či kto to je. Ja som to tušil, že to bude pásca. A tento žltý, to vyzerá jak Player's Poppy Playtime. Ja som to tušil, že to je nejaká pásca. Ale nie. Bober.
Breaking news. Tonight, an explosion at Lucky's Plushies factory, exposing a front for a massive amount of cotton candy. 3 subjects were found severely burned and declared dead at the scene. Dolph Dolphin, Bolf Dolphin, and Billy Beaver. All 3 are suspected to have had a part in the cotton candy trade.
I had no idea about all of this.
Všetci skapali a teraz si myslel, že všetci tí vole mali niečo s týmto spoločné. A teraz sa podľa mňa Billy všetko vie. A teraz sa bude hrať tým, že on ničo nevie.
It's downright terrible activity. And I am ashamed that someone was using my business for something so...
Ale deser si dobí,
I
okej?
am launching a full internal investigation and will not rest until I have tracked the problem to its source.
Všetci tam zomreli. Aj Dolph, aj druhý Dolphin, aj Boober. No to je konec. Dobre, že to hrají ty peček Lucky, no. Ty hovno, Rigi. To je hovno. Jak to, že máš elektrinu? To be continued.
That's it?
Pak tam bude potýlko a sena.
That's it. Well, that's the ending?
Well, there's one more
To je
cool
ten
scene, I
typek.
guess, but for the most part...
To je ten typek, čo vytvoril. Toto, tu si tu poznám. To je ten typek, čo vytvoril ten turf.
Supposed to be dramatic.
Dramatic? You killed your best friend. That's not dramatic. That's just depressing.
He wasn't my best friend. He...
Ne, Regi, ty hovno. Ty si zabil si 3 osoby. Kámo, zabil si 3 osoby a ty hovoríš, že to je iba dramatické. Bro, what the fuck, Regi, ty si úplne ty si také hovno, Regi, ty si... A není tvoj best friend...
My only friend. That doesn't make it any better.
No.
No to je také hovno. Neboj ho navždy kamarát, lebo to je jediný kamarát. Tak si normálne robí srandu, ne, ty vole?
No, not at all.
Oh, whatever. You said you wanted my origin story. That's my origin story. Besides, I redeemed myself later.
Aha. Takže to jak typek vravel, to som nečakal ten ending. Takže to je vlastne o tom, jak typek pred chvíľou vravel, že toto je to, že typek ten, čo vytvoril si Rigio, tak vytvoril pred 2 rokmi o ňom príbeh. A toto je ten príbeh. On ten príbeh priviedol do reality.
Kind of. Remember, this was like 6 years ago.
Yeah,
Pred 6 rokmi.
episode 1 like that? I mean, come on. Tell me it gets better.
I mean, again.
Na úplném konci každého dílu se zvětšuje jeho kill count. Damn.
It's a lot darker at spots, but that just makes the happy parts even better, okay? Most of the season is about me getting a found family, learning acceptance, maybe getting a little morally corrupt, yada.
Ale to furt nezatrie to, že si zabil 3 osoby, kámo, what the fuck.
Rest of the season, yeah, right. Like we're gonna get to make any more episodes with an ending like that.
No.
Yeah, good point. Hey, you? Yeah, you? Do you want to see more episodes of Toon Turf?
Jasne, prečo nie?
Well, you
Tady bude zväčšovať, má to zatím tie tule.
can support us by buying from the Riggy merch store.
Jasne, už máme merch.
Riggy, no, not now.
Look at all the cool clothes, the stickers, and the plushies. Even Billy got one. So your choices are either murderer, or dead guy. Come on, who doesn't want a plushie of a dead guy?
Sa mi páčak povedal, že zabijak na seba. Vrah. Lucky je vrah, ty vole, no OK, I guess.
Oh, kill me, please, just get it.
Prečo by si nechcel, ty vole, plišaka mŕtvého typka, kamo? To je, keby si kupoval plišaka Technoblade, ty vole.
It over with.
So if you want to see more episodes of Toon Turf, visit the merch store and give me money. I mean,
give me money.
I blew most of the budget for the pilot, renting out this movie theater so we could watch it. So we definitely need the funding.
To sa pozeralo v kine.
And you buy the merch.
Ešte niečo tu máme, ešte tu máme niečo, kámo. Ešte tu niečo máme.
Of course it would be today, of course. Why wasn't I thinking? Now everything's gonna...
Sir, we let the police know that you've chosen to withhold the security footage from the plushie factory. But Chief Gruff says he's gonna need a valid excuse. What should we tell him?
Oh, he wants an excuse, huh? Well, tell him the truth.
Pravdu povedať im? Ne, Kazi tu proste spal.
Understood. Although, what are we gonna do about the kid?
Exactly what we've been doing. You guys just keep watching. I have a feeling he's only gonna get worse.
Toto, dobre, takže tušte, takže podľa mňa sa Lucky pokusí zabiť Riggyho. No konečne nám ukázal jeho pravú tvář, presne tak. Ja som vedel, že proste Lucky je tybo hovno. To za tvárou každého takéhoto populárneho človeka sa skrýva niečo temné väčšinou. Aj ja mám svoju temnú stránku. To každý má. God. Boh, jasne. My lovely angel girlfriend Laia. Môj terapist. Takže, tvůrce řekl, že Riggy je část proroctví a vyhlazení a Lucky to ví. OK, tak to je temnejšie, som čakal. Ešte tam niečo nebude? Či to je všetko? Tu niečo, tu ešte niečo. RLR. Tun. To ne. 3. Aha, to je jeho kill count. Riggy's kill count. Na konci to je jeho kill count, takže už zabil 3 ľudí. A to takže to detsko sa nepočítalo, OK. Damn, to bolo niečo. Fúha. No, to bolo niečo. Kde mám kameru? No, to bolo niečo. To bolo že crazy. Ja som originálne nemal ani nejaký, originálne som ani neplánoval to pozerať. Ale teraz to je crazy. Jo, takže je to iba shorts typeček. Dla mňa absolútne turf. Absolútne trf. Všetci ruky nad hlavy. Absolútne trf. Bolo to crazy. Ja z toho môžem skúsiť dostrať nejaké video, nejakú reakciu, ak sa to náhodou chytí. Pokiaľ vyjde druhá epizóda, tak ja to kľudne na to zareagujem na streame. Zatiaľ akože zaujímavý príbeh. No, asi tak. No a to je všetko, ľudia. Ja dúfam, že vás bavilo. Čaute.